Hi guys, this is GK from GK Marine Tech. Today's lesson is star delta. What is star? What is delta configuration in the three-phase AC system? So it is the alternator. I already told you. Alternator means it is producing alternating current, which is called alternator. If it is producing DC current, that is called generator. So this is a three-phase alternator, not the single phase. It is producing three-phase. The phase angle difference will be 120 degree between each other. So this is a four-wire system. So center point we are make it earth. In vessel ship we are not going to make this, but now for understanding the class we are considering that center point, neutral point, we earthed in the system. That is called neutral. Earth and neutral is the same. From alternator, what is the connection? We are giving connection to the earth. That is called neutral as well as the earth. Okay, four-wire system means one more wire will come. I didn't show here because I connected the three-phase motor. That is why I took only the three-phase. This neutral wire also they will supply to your home. And I made a three-phase sine wave form also, and I took it one voltmeter, one ammeter, clamp meter. So this class what we are going to see in the three-phase system, what will be the current, how to measure, what is the difference between the two configuration. Because of these two configuration, the current and voltage, how it will change. Okay, they will change. In star connection the voltage and current will be vary, and delta connection the voltage and current will vary. So now you may ask, what is the star and delta? So you will see that what is star and delta. So I make very simple now, because otherwise it will get confused. This is the source alternator. I am putting three connections and connected in the star connection, and common line I put it earth. So this is the alternator. We are not going to talk about this alternator. Now we are going to talk about the motor, three-phase AC motor. Okay, this is the load. So the load we are going to talk. I already connected all three phases to the motor, but motor what I did, I made it is the similar way how we are connected here. Similar method I connected. This connection is method of this configuration is known as star configuration, because it is like a star, no, and it is like a Y shape. Okay. This is called star, and we are getting a neutral point. We are getting a neutral point, but that neutral point, it is invisible. We cannot find out that point. It will be there in the system wire connection, but we are not going to use that common system. Here we are going to earth, but here we are not three-phase diagram. We are not taking this one to earth. Okay. So now this is the setup. Now what I am going to do, I will make three-phase diagram. I will make one instant. I will take one instant. I will check which voltage is more positive side. The positive means current is going to the source. Negative means current is coming from the load to source. Okay. So for source to load is the positive direction, and load to source is negative direction of the voltage. I am going to take one instant here. This instant you see blue and red in the positive and yellow in the negative. So what is going to happen? And here there is no neutral line. In AC line, whatever the current is passing through the phase line, it will do the work and return back through the neutral line to the source. It has to return back, otherwise it will not work. But here, where is the return line? There is no neutral. Then how the current is going, doing the work and coming back, that is we are going to see. How it is possible with the three wire. So we are not going to use the neutral wire. Very simple manner we are going to utilize that. We will see. Before that I will tell you, here line voltage, this between line voltage, √3 of phase voltage. Phase voltage, this is the phase voltage, and between the voltage, between the line, the voltage will be √3 V phase. This is the last class we saw. Just for remembering, we are going to see how it is coming. And current means it is in the series. See, at the time I told you only two phase we are going to give the current, and third phase will be the return path. So if you are giving the current red and yellow, blue, then the return path will be yellow. Or red and yellow if you give, blue will become a return path. So always two phases only we will give the current. All three phases we don't give the current. If you give the current, it will get short circuit. Okay. So now VL equal to √3. So current what will happen? Current is in the series. If I am considering red and blue, here red and blue I took it. So if the current is going here, red coil and then blue coil and coming back. So it is a series connection. Series connection, you know, voltage will divide, but Current will not divide, the same current only will pass. So the current will be same. Line current and phase current will be same in the star connection. This you have to understand. Why I am going to say delta I am going to show you how it is. It will be opposite to that. So these two you have to understand. In series star connection, current will be same, line current and phase current, but voltage will be different. Root 3 phase voltage, line voltage equal to root 3 phase voltage. Now we are going to check between line voltage, phase voltage, everything with the multimeter we are going to check. Okay. So now what I will do, I am making this instant in which red and blue we are giving a positive volt and yellow it is a negative volt. So what will happen? Red I am going to give the voltage, blue I am going to give the voltage. These two voltage vectorly added and then passing through the yellow coil and coming out from here. This is the written line now. This instant, but it will keep on change. This is not permanent. This is only one instant I took it. So keep on change. This will keep on increase and decrease. This also will keep on increase and decrease. Accordingly, as per the phase difference, it will go up and down. So for understanding purpose, I took it one instant, two coil, the current is going and doing the work and return path is yellow. Now after that, these two will go, return path is here. After that, these two will go, return path is the red. This is the way three phase, they are not using the neutral wire for return path. The same one wire will become always return path of the other two wire. Okay. So now we will measure with the voltage, we'll see. So this is the line voltage, no? Red and blue between line voltage. Line voltage how much is there? Phase voltage into root 3. That means phase voltage is 220. Root 3 if you multiply, the answer will become 415. So that is why three phase voltage always will be 415, not 220. And current is the same. Current is not changing. So now I am checking the other cycle. Here also line voltage same, phase current. Now where is the phase voltage? Phase voltage is that, you see, you have to take a reference any line and neutral line. This phase voltage only, it is coming to your home and you are using all machineries, equipments and all. So this is called phase voltage. This phase voltage into root 3 only, that voltage has come. So between any phase, one terminal, another terminal, if you are putting in the neutral point, then you will get phase voltage. I already told you phase voltage means we have to mention PH. If you are not mentioning anything, just V, that is a line voltage. This is all standard. Yeah? So you should not get confused. If it is a V, V means what? It is a line voltage or phase voltage? Line voltage, because there is line voltage, no need to mention the small letters. But phase voltage we have to mention. Okay. So now earth is given here. From the body earth is given. Here neutral is given to the earth. So through the earth it is going. Through the earth it is having a connection for safe side. Anything short circuit, from this it will get back the current and your tripping device, safety device will activate. Okay, that all future videos we will see. So next we will see that delta connection. So what difference? See, now before it was like this. Now the same coil we are making in this way. We didn't change the coil, only the connection we changed. It is like a triangle, delta, a Greek letter, Italian letter, Italic Greek letter, something. It is a delta, this name. This is star or Y. I will tell you that notation how to mention this. This is called delta connection. So in this, what is happening? There is no center point. There is no neutral point. Okay. There is no neutral point. We are giving directly this star connection to the load. So this is what is happening. The line voltage directly going to the single load. So before you see, the line voltage going in the series of two coils. Line voltage, it is passing through two coils in series. Now the line voltage, it is passing through red coil and coming back. That means two coil resistance is more and one coil resistance is less. If resistance less, more current. Okay, so this will be more current. Okay, we will see how we are going to calculate now. Same incident I took it. So VL equal to V phase. Voltage no difference. No? Here, what is the phase between these? That is going directly to the red. Like that, yellow directly to the yellow. So what is the line voltage? That is the phase voltage here. Okay, in series connection it is a different. Root 3 it has come. But here there is a same. But current is having a root 3. See, current is having root 3 means more, no? 1.732 into current. So the IL current will be more than the phase current. If you check it phase current, that we can check here. We can check here phase current. Phase current means through the coil how much current is passing. That is called phase current. I mentioned already in the arrow mark, this is the phase current. The phase current direction also I mentioned, it is revolving inside. So Kirchhoff's law means your current is coming from here, is going here and some current is coming here, minus. So if you add together, that point will become 0. Accordingly, you can calculate the current. If you go further calculation, that will be there. But we don't want that much extent, that much level. We will just understand the system, what is star delta. Okay. Okay. Now I took it the same incident and I measured it. You see, current is root 3, more current. Last time I phase only. Now root 3 of I phase. Root 3 of I phase is high, 1.732 times of phase current. But voltage is same. Voltage no difference. Line voltage and phase voltage is same. So line voltage equal to phase voltage now. Okay. So you can measure all lines, similar, same. And if you mention here phase voltage, you will get the same, no difference. See? Okay. This is a phase voltage and line voltage you will phase voltage like that. This is phase voltage. What I told you, this line voltage is passing through this here, though crossing the phase between the coil end, that is called phase voltage. That is why I mentioned here. Okay, so this is a 440, not this volt. Okay, this is a single phase volt. This one 440. Don't get confused. Now I will show you. So now here also I put it phase. This phase is this one. Through this coil, how much voltage is passing? That one I told you. This another one, single phase voltage I told you. Single phase is nothing. That is a alternator we are checking, not in the motor. Okay. So I think you got the simple idea about how to measure the current. What is the difference between star and delta? Okay. So now we will see the advantage, disadvantage between these two. Then only next lesson we are going to use this star delta starter for the 3-phase AC motor in future lessons. That time easily you can understand. First star 1, then delta, which is better. So star 1, it is having a neutral point. That means definitely it is not having a neutral point. Correct? Then it is having 4-wire system because neutral also is going. 3 phase is going. So 3 phase plus 1 neutral, 4-wire system. Earth is connected through the earth. So it is a 4-wire system. But that one 3-wire system. There is no neutral there. It is a 3-wire system. That motor is not required neutral wire. Okay. Then IL equal to I phase, line equal to current phase in star, but in here root 3. This is the one now we checked it. Like that voltage, if you see, voltage equal to root 3, but here voltage equal to phase voltage. Line voltage equal to phase voltage. You think anything, this phase voltage is not 220, it is a 415, because that voltage only passing through the coil, that phase coil, not our alternator phase voltage. Okay. So now formula, power formula is same, because here VL is having root 3, here IL is having root 3. So the formula is more or less same only, no difference in the calculation of the power. Slow speed. Star is always slow speed because the voltage, line voltage is divided by 2 coils. The line voltage distributed by 2 coils. So the voltage will be less. So automatically the RPM will be less. Okay. This is a slow speed. How much? 1 by root 3 times slow. Okay. This one high speed. High speed means full voltage. Okay, full line voltage. It is a high speed. So initially we will start from star. After picking up speed, we can switch over to delta. That is very easy with the contactors. That feature class we will see. And here we are having an option. We can use single phase also. We can use three phase also. Okay. Because if it is measuring a phase between the neutral, then you will get single phase. You can use it anywhere. If you using all three phase, then it will become a three phase. This option is there. Here no option because there is no neutral line is that. Okay. So this will be the different. Now I think you got idea how the thing is. And symbol. I told you already the symbol will be Y shape, star shape. Similar shape, but the letter WYE we used to call Y phase, Y configuration. If you anywhere mention they mention like Y configuration means it's a star configuration. If it is a delta, the symbol is triangle and the word is mesh. Mesh configuration means it is a delta configuration. So I hope all the details about star delta I given, advantage, disadvantage, how to measure current, how to measure voltages, and what is the notations and all, everything I told you. So next lesson we will talk about AC motor, induction AC motor, how it is running. The working principle of three-phase induction AC motor. Next lesson we will see. Continuously monitor my channel. You will get like this beautiful videos, beautiful explanation. It will be very helpful to you in your profession also. So we will catch you in the next lesson. Thanks for watching.